Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and we are back with another walkthrough Wednesday. Today I am with Mark Schirmer, and he is with Providence Homes, and he is going to be walking us through a quick move-in home they currently have available. So
Yes.
Mark, please tell us where we're at today.
Thanks
Welcome.
for coming out, Alexis. Appreciate you. And what we're going to look at today is the Clermont by Providence Homes. It's a 4.2.5, 2,387 square foot. And a really key feature of the home is the 3 outdoor open air spaces. You've got a balcony right on the front. You've got a large welcoming covered porch in the front of the house. And then on the back of the house, there's a covered patio for grilling, for chilling, and all the fun things we like to do in Florida. So let's step in and take a look here.
Beautiful. Love the exterior.
Yeah, it's got a fun blue door just to give a splash of the Caribbean kind of vibe in Seabrook Village. You're greeted by a little bit of a foyer space. So you have a nice transition from the outdoor space to the into the home. And you've got a staircase off here for the second floor. And we'll probably start with the owner's suite right here. It's a large owner's suite set up for a king bed, full accoutrement of furniture. Kind of pan around, got the
So much natural light in this house.
yeah, a lot of good natural light. You got a pocket door that leads into the owner's suite. And Alexis, who doesn't like a bunch of drawers?
I know, that was actually one thing that we talked about prior to us starting, because I was like, wow, you don't see that very often. So that's a huge plus.
Can never have too many.
Absolutely not.
But it's got a luxury vibe. You've got the upgraded tile to the ceiling. There's even a little soap niche in the shower area, and just a large overall vanity space.
Absolutely. I loved that the tiles were carried on into the shower. It's both a wide and a deep bathroom, which I feel like you don't always get, so that is wonderful.
Absolutely. Yeah. And then a nice feature of every Providence Homes, you get your own thermostat in your owner's bedroom. There's nothing better than extra comfort and efficiency in every house. So a little key piece of the house. There's a little powder bath off the foyer.
Perfect.
So you got the 4 2.5 baths. As we pan around, you've got a really open family room, tons of natural light, tray ceiling, just to bracket kind of the family room area, and then a very luxurious kitchen.
Yeah, this kitchen is beautiful. You have so much cabinetry. I love the underlighting that you guys did, all of the finishes. Handles, oh yeah.
Yeah, a little touch of gold.
Absolutely.
Got kind of a mixed metal vibe with the gold, a little bit of silver. The pantry's on the larger spectrum of pantry. So again, more storage space, more places to put all the goodies.
Really large island too. And you guys, it looks like you guys did nice trim work here on the island. I don't know if
they wrapped it in a shaper wrap just to finish it off. Your kiddos are banging their feet against the bar top. You can't hurt this one, so it's all wrapped in wood. You got the cafe area just adjacent to the kitchen. So you got a nice little L-shaped flow with family room, kitchen to cafe, and then, as promised, the third open air covered space is the covered patio. We got triple sliders. I think it's 13 by 15.
Yeah, it's huge.
Yeah.
Your patio spaces that you guys have done in this home are very large.
And it's set off with some nice pavers
Yeah.
accent, and then you've got a whole pre-plumbed summer kitchen, electrical for the mini fridge, place to hang a TV. Definitely an outdoor oasis. You could screen it in.
Yeah,
Spend a lot of time out here.
absolutely.
And it's right off the family room, so if you are entertaining, you've got this whole breadth of almost like a family room extension.
Great Florida living.
A day like today, definitely be out
I know,
there.
it's nice.
Be out there for the coffee and the latte and whatnot.
Absolutely. Especially as a Nocatee resident, as the indoor-outdoor lifestyle is truly what we're all about.
For sure. And then the laundry room does not disappoint. It's fully set up with cabinets, a utility sink, and plenty of room to move and, do the laundry. We love to do, but plenty of space to do that. And then for extra storage and the golf cart life, you get a 2-car plus golf cart garage. So you got that extra storage and or place for the bikes and the golf cart.
I love that. Who doesn't love extra storage?
All right, so next we'll go back towards the front of the house and check out the second floor. So owner's suite down, living space down, and then we've got a loft, 3 bedrooms, and a large bathroom up top. So we're gonna go check that out.
Fantastic. Love the flooring in this home. It brings so much warmth,
Yeah,
and
the
I actually
extra
love
wide.
the texture in it too.
Yeah, the LVP is bulletproof, waterproof. It just gives you all the luxury of wood and the look,
Absolutely.
but none of the maintenance. So really a good product to have.
And of course, we are in Seabrook Village, so we always like to talk about all the amenities that you're so close to. So you've got the Seabrook Park, which is somewhat new but very close by, and you've got schools nearby, and you are just minutes away from all of the great amenities and water parks that you have access to as a resident.
Yeah, and where this house sits, it's basically 1 block from Seabrook Park. So
Wonderful.
you have the 2 dog parks, massive swimming pool, 2 playgrounds, just set up really, again, for that Nocatee lifestyle.
Ideal location.
And this is the first of 3 bedrooms up here. One of the larger ones, you got plenty of space for king, queen bed, and a large closet.
Yeah, that would be great for a guest room if you had like older teenagers or parents that are staying with you, because that almost feels like a secondary primary.
And as we pan around, you can look at this loft is loaded full of natural light.
Oh yeah.
You got the transom windows, the front windows. Then we've got a couple more bedrooms and then a bathroom wing on this side.
Nice bedroom sizes.
But this is the perfect wing. You could do an office up here and still have 2 bedrooms, or just leave it as 3 full bedrooms. And again, a large oversized bath with 2 sinks doesn't hurt. There's a linen closet right there for convenience. And you've got the front bedroom here. And then off the loft, really fun space here. You've got a large balcony.
Yeah.
To kind of enjoy the outdoor air, read a book, relax in the evenings, but it's just a fun space to get some open air. Again, just perfect for the seaside kind of village vibe.
Yeah, this is huge. I was joking before, but you could truly have like a big party out here because it's so large. I also actually love that you guys really kept these natural as could be. So that's great, and it's beautiful with the railing, and you can kind of see a view of the neighborhood, which is awesome, and it's pretty quaint and quiet.
I love it.
All right, well, Mark, we're going to wrap up, so please remind the viewers where we're at and how they can get in contact with you about this home.
Seabrook Village. I'm Mark Schirmer with Providence Homes, 904-625-1928. Love to see you guys out, tour this home. We've got a few others, but a great opportunity to own a 4-bed, 2.5 bath in Seabrook Village, Nocatee.
All right, well, thanks so much, Mark.
Thank
we hope
you.
you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.